You know, your boy again, you know. I want another thing. They nothing new, you know. So we will be playing a game that I got like 4 days ago, you know. Dead Alive 5. Until you recognize. Got bars. Bars so hard they can sing to Mars.
What do you mean your bars so hard?
I said my bars.
I don't want to know about you or your man.
Shut up, shut up.
Hard ball is.
Alright, let's get into this game. Let me stop watching. Okay, yeah. Let me just adjust this camera right. Okay. I know my my sound kind of low, you know. So y'all can hear me talk. Y'all be like, you got to play arcade mode. You have to play solo. Okay. Nah, I'm about to go with normal. Cause I'm a normal person. Hold up, let me adjust this camera like that. Yeah, that's good. Hold up. That's good. Yeah, like that. Yeah, I have 4 arms, so like, if any one of y'all got 4 arms, let your boy know. Especially if you're a girl, you can hook up. Alright, hold up. Hold up. Alright. Blop. Fuck. Alright, hold up. I'm about to just, on the side since I played this game for a little bit, you know. Don't get everybody unlocked because they play the game.
What the?
Shut up, man. You sound gay. I always gotta pick my. I gotta pick my boy.
Oreos, nigga.
Alright.
Bobby, take out the trash.
Shut up.
Okay.
Thank you. Hold up. Hold up. Okay. Let's go. Y'all gonna be like, this game is too easy for you. After I'm finished with this hoe. This ugly ass skank. She got finished.
Dying. Hitting the people How is you feeling?
How is she feeling? She should have never got in the ring with a ninja. She see this nigga all dressed up. She don't never get in the ring. Let's go. Look at that house. Yeah. I'm gonna start playing online soon. Like I get good at the game, like good online good. Cause I played there online. I should have recorded it and I suck. I just got humiliated. I said that word. Humiliated. It's Brandon, how you say that word? Humiliated.
My name is Tyrese.
Humiliated.
Hello YouTube, my name is Tyrese. I just want to let you know that I bought this game for my young blood right, yeah.
It's okay, Brandon.
That game right there. Hey son, cut that game off. It's time for you to get ready for bed. Get to studying before you go to sleep. You got that big test tomorrow. I want your teacher call me, tell me you failed that test. You go get whooped in front of your little YouTube friends like that. Really hit that like button, subscribe to my channel at Fuck with Lewis. Thank you.
Then when they get on your channel on Fun for Lewis, it was like he sound nothing like them. He dead. Nothing. You like my voice right there? Hey, y'all girls. Still, it's gonna be okay. Y'all go get some of this light skinned duck. What the? This dude looking like Pierce off of Saints Row 4th. A bald head Pierce. This nigga Michael Jackson now.
That's Ted Long? I knew he got fired up for wrestling for a reason.
This nigga over here dancing. He ain't hitting me, he dancing. I see him. You know he ain't about to win. Cause that move right there, a block, and that squeak, and limbs him in. Him up. So you can focus more on the gameplay than everything else. Move. That move's kind of weak, but I won. Just this way. Yeah, look at my nuts. Yeah. For all the ladies looking at the nuts. Like that, don't you? You like that. You like the nuts. This nigga look like Cody Rhodes. Man, his name Rick. What type of fool? What type of mama named their son Rick? That's not even a word. Got him. That one piece. Oh yeah, I don't know my McDonald's stuff. Cause when I went there, my friend called it a one-piece chicken nugget, and I don't know what that is. So like, cause I don't go to McDonald's. I go Burger King, KFC.
Fuck you. Fuck that corny ass phone. Fuck that flippy ass phone. That stupid ass PlayStation. Fuck them dirty ass fighters. Fuck them stupid ass rings. Fuck that stupid ass circus. Fuck that stupid ass KO. Fuck that dumb ass commentator. Fuck that stupid ass site. Fuck your dumb ass controller. Fuck your dumb ass mall. Fuck you. Fuck your mama. Fuck your dad. Fuck all y'all ass, bitch.
Ain't never losing this fight. I see you. Yes. Robert never lose. What?
Fuck you. I already said. Fuck your cheap ass jacket. Fuck your long ass socks. Fuck your stupid ass Oreos.
Oh my god. No, not him.
This nigga got ticks in his socks or something. He ain't even wearing socks. That motherfucking background. That little spaceship thing he's standing on hot. It's in there dancing.
I know, right? I'm about to lose this one. Y'all about to see me do some bull moves. Gotta start doing the same move. Like on that Mortal Kombat stuff. Or I got the button smash. Ooh. He dead me. He dead me. Oh! Look at him. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fuck. Alright. That's it. Hold up. Call him like Big D. I mean, T-Dog. A-Dog. I don't know if you see it, but Hold up. Yep, nope, you did not see my face. Hold up, let me take this off. Okay, let me. Hold up, that wasn't enough. 10 minutes. Yeah, that was enough.
Don't put me in that camera, guys. I put some in the camera. Oh. Stop!
Alright.
Hey, now you can put it on YouTube. Get that.
Alright. So,
Start it all over. Put me in that camera. I'm not playing.
So this is the gameplay. Like the video if you want to see more.
Nigga,
no?
Then I say don't put that on YouTube.
So, subscribe.
You can do way better than that. Make sure you know